Video we shall discuss about the finding of values using logarithm table. We are going to find the value of log 33.62 to the base 10. What is the first step? What should we do? We are to represent this number 33.62 in the standard form, that is 3.362 into 10 to the power 1. Already we learned in lower classes, that is we are to keep this number which is greater than equal to 1 but less than 10 into 10 to the power something. Okay, at first represent the number whatever it is given in this form. Okay, then the second step, what is the first two digits, that is excluding the decimal point, first two digits, that is 3 and 3 33, third digit, that is 6, and the fourth digit, that is 2. Okay, this first two, now come to the log table. First two digit confirm the row, that is 33. We have to see the 30 row of the value 33. Third digit 6, that will confirm the column, that is 30 row of 33, column 6th, column of 6. What is the value there? You see 5263, and this fourth digit will mention the column of this mean difference in the last part. Okay, so we have to see the column of the 2. What is the value here? 3. Now add these two values, that is 5263 plus 3, that is equal to 5266. Okay, now this power of this 10 is the integer part of this value, that is log of 33.62 to the base 10, that is equal to 1 point, and this is the decimal part 5266. So what we got? The value of log 33.62 to the base 10, that is equal to 1.5266. Okay, from this value, if you want to get the value of natural log, that is ln 33.62, we have to multiply this value by 2.303. Okay, now one thing you should remember, that is you can't take more values than, more digits than 4 digit in this log table. If there are more digits, suppose the number is given 33.6234, exclude these 34. Okay, that will leave that part for the approximation. Only you are to took the first 4 digits. Okay, more digits cannot be applicable for this log table, for the system of this log table. Okay, now suppose there are only 3 digits. We are going to find the value of log 33.6. 2 is not there, then 4th digit is not there. Ultimately, what is the 4th digit? It is 0. So no 0 column is there in this mean difference. So no need to take the value from mean difference. Only the value will remain 5263. Okay. For the first two digits, it is the row will be 33, and for the third digit, the column will be 6, and fourth digit, no digit is there. So no need to take the value from mean difference. So the ultimately the value of this log will be 1.5263. Okay, if only 2 digits are there, suppose log 33 to the base 10, then this third digit also become 0, then this 0 column will be selected, then the value will be 5185. Okay, that is the decimal part. So the value of log 33 to the base 10 will be 1.5185. Okay, If only 3 is there, then what can we write? 3 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 0. Then the integer part becomes 0 here. Then first 2 digit, but we can see only one digit is there, that is 3. To get the 3 digit, we have to take 0, and third digit becomes 0. No digit is there, that means 0. So you have to check the row of 30 and 0 column. Okay, this is the process to get the value of logarithm.